Hello, I am Liv.
Nicholas.
This is for Le Point Pop.
Vi skal være her i Bangkok i 6 måneder. Jan, han skal lave sin næste film, og jeg har sagt ja til filmeprocessen. Det er nyt, at vi er sammen med ham, når han filmer.
I didn't write anything. I just started to shoot everything. I didn't really know where the movie was going. I just knew that I didn't want to make a portrait of Nicholas where you just sit and praise him and say, oh, he's so amazing and he's like fantastic. And not that he's not, but you know, it's just typical portrait of a great director that, you know, you interview people and I just thought that I had the advantage of being the wife, so I could go more deep. It could be like a more poetic kind of film if I went deeper and showed his vulnerabilities and ups and downs.
Jeg har brugt 3 år på at lave den her film, og så ved jeg ikke rigtigt, hvad den egentlig handler om. Jeg må jo ikke vise angst, tvivl eller nervøsitet.
Yes, det er færdigt. Det er godt nok. Kan du ikke fatte det, når jeg siger det til dig? Jeg synes, det er godt nok.
Jeg kan jo ikke være en undergang, der var her. Det var bare en film.
I was kind of not really asked. I was told. But I think I realized that how much, in a way, dependent I was on us and her and for everything and all the years we've been together.
Den her film handler om dig og ikke om mig.
Det handler om os.